morning, all of you. My topic name is a vibrational frequency of carbonyl compound. My name is Neel Vilas Dalvi, class MSc Part 1, Organic Chemistry, roll number 4, exam number 004432, and my topic name is a vibrational frequency of carbonyl compound. First one is a content. First one is a vibrational frequency of aldehyde, vibrational frequency of ketone, vibrational frequency of ester, vibrational frequency of amide, and vibrational frequency of carboxylic acid. First one is a vibrational frequency of aldehyde. The carbonyl stretch C double bond O of saturated aliphatic aldehyde appears from 17402 to 1720 centimeter inverse. As in ketones, if the carbon adjacent to the aldehydes groups are unsaturated, the vibration is shifted to lower wave numbers 1710 to 1685 centimeter inverse. Then summary. H dash C double bond O stretch 28302 to 2695 centimeter inverse. Then C double bond O stretch aliphatic aldehydes 1740 to 1720 centimeter inverse. Alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde 1710 to 1685 centimeter inverse. Then this is the IR spectrum of aldehyde. Then this is the C dash H stretch alkyl. Then C dash H stretches aldehyde. Then C double bond O stretch unsaturated aldehyde. This is the example of butyl aldehyde. Then second one is the vibrational frequencies of ketone. The carbonyl stretching vibration bond C double bond O of saturated aliphatic ketones appears at 1715 centimeter inverse. Conjugation of the carbonyl group with the carbon-carbon double bond or phenyl groups as an alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde shift this band to lower wave number 1685 to 166 centimeter inverse. Then summary. C double bond O stretch aliphatic ketones 1715 centimeter inverse, alpha beta unsaturated ketone 1685 to 166 centimeter inverse. And this is the IR spectrum of ketone. This is the C dash H stretch and this is the C double bond O stretch, and this is the example of 2 beta non. Then third one is the vibrational frequency of esters. The carbonyl stretch C double bond O of its aliphatic ester appear from 1750 to 1735 centimeter inverse. That of alpha beta unsaturated esters appear from 1730 to 1715 centimeter inverse. Then this is the summary. C double bond O stretch aliphatic from 1750 to 1735 centimeter inverse. Alpha beta unsaturated from 1730 to 1715 centimeter inverse. And C dash O stretch from 1300 to 1000 centimeter inverse. And this is the IR spectrum of ester. This is the C dash H stretch. This is alkyl saturated ester C double bond O stretch, and this is the C dash O stretch, and this is the example of ethyl acetate. Then fourth one is the vibrational frequency of amide. The N dash H stretch of amines are in the region 3300 to 3000 centimeter inverse. These bands are weaker and sharper than those of alcohol O dash OH, O dash H stretches, which appears in the same region. In a primary amine RNH2, there are two bands in the region, the asymmetrical N dash H stretch and the symmetrical N dash H stretch. This is the asymmetrical N dash H stretch higher wave numbers, and a symmetric N dash H, this is a stretch lower wave number. Then summary. N dash H stretch 34002 to 3250 centimeter when the primary amine two bands from 34002 to 3300 and 3302 to 3250 centimeter inverse, and secondary amines one band from 3350 to 3310 centimeter inverse, and tertiary amine no bands in the region. Then this is IR spectrum of amide. This is N dash H stretches. This is a primary amine. N dash H band primary amine. C dash N stretch, and N dash H band primary secondary amine. This is example of aniline. Then last one is the vibrational frequency of carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid shows a strong wide band for the O-H stretch. Unlike the O-H stretch band observed in alcohol, the carboxylic acid O-H stretch appears as a very broad bond in the region 3300 to 2500 centimeter inverse, centers at about 3000 centimeter inverse. This is in the same region as the C-H stretching bands of both the alkyl and aromatic group. Thus, carboxylic acid shows a somewhat messy absorption pattern in the region 3300 to 2500 centimeter inverse. And this is the summary. O-H stretch from 3300 to 2500 centimeter inverse. C double bond O stretch from 1760 to 1690 centimeter inverse, and C dash O stretch from 1320 to 1210 centimeter inverse. O-H bend from 1440 to 1395 and 950 to 910 centimeter inverse. And this is the IR spectrum of carboxylic acid. This is O-H stretch and C-H stretch. This is the C double bond O stretch, O-H bend, C-O stretch, and O-H bend. Then this is the example of hexanoic acid. This is the acknowledgement. This is the reference, and thank you.